Creating a Metamask wallet by Bizebra. Hi. In order to receive your NFT, you need to have a wallet installed in your mobile phone. If you do not have a wallet installed, please follow the instructions below. One popular wallet is Metamask. Metamask is a decentralized wallet with more than 30 million downloads. The first step is to locate the Metamask app in the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Search of Metamask. Once found, click on the Install button to download and install Metamask in your device. After a few seconds, depending on Wi-Fi speed, the app will be installed. When ready, you will be able to start Metamask by clicking on Open. At the bottom of the Welcome to Metamask screen, click on Get Started. In the Wallet Setup screen, click on Create a new wallet. You will need to define a password so you can protect Metamask from unauthorized usage. To create the password, please check the disclaimer box and click on Create Password to continue. The next step allows you to secure your wallet. Please watch the short video on the screen explaining wallet security. Click on Start to continue. The next screen gives you instructions and ideas on how to secure your wallet. Please read carefully and click on Start. In this section you will be able to view your secret recovery phrase. As the name suggests, it is a phrase that you, and only you, should know. If someone else knows your secret recovery phrase, the security of your wallet can be compromised. Click on the View button to continue. Here you can see your secret recovery phrase. The phrase is actually a set of special, unrelated words what will allow you to recover your wallet if your device is damaged, stolen or becomes inaccessible. They are numbered 1 to 12 since the sequence of those words matters. Once the sequence of the words is tested correctly, then press Complete Backup. You have now successfully secured your wallet. This is a one-off process. Click on Done to continue. This is how your wallet looks like. You will notice there are two sections in the middle of the screen, one for tokens and one for NFTs. Our NFTs are created in a network called Polygon. The default network for Metamask is the Ethereum network. The current network is shown under Wallet at the top of the screen. In this case, the current network is the Ethereum main network. In order to change the network to Polygon, click on Wallet at the top of the screen. You will then be presented with a number of networks, and most likely the Polygon network is not listed. Click on Add a network to search for the Polygon network. Under Popular you should be able to see the Polygon mainnet network. Click on Add to add it to the wallet. To add the Polygon network, click on Approve. Now that the network is added, you will need to switch to it. Click on Switch to Network to do so. That's it. At the top of the screen, under Wallet, the Polygon mainnet is shown. Finally, in order to send you the NFT, we will need the public address of your wallet. The public address is an address that you can provide to anyone that wants to send you tokens or NFTs, so it is totally safe to provide. The public address is the set of number and letters shown in a blue background, indicated by the arrow. If you click on it, it will be copied to the device and you can email it to us so you can send the NFT to your wallet.